Hello guys, welcome to the Working Out Graduates. If you're new to this channel, my name is Thabo. In this channel, we'll talk about ways to make money, full-time and part-time. So in this video, I'll be talking about how to find the perfect trade setup in Forex trading. Okay, this is something that many people may be getting wrong and not being able to know what to do. So that's also obviously depending on what the market is. So many people usually come to me and be like, oh, sometimes the market is not moving, or what should I do this week? Nothing happened, I didn't really make money. Okay, it's because of many reasons. The market has different behaviors. So I'm just going to show you how to maximize your profits with this, even if the market is currently not moving as fast as you want it to move, or it's not as volatile as it is. Okay, so I'll just give you some tips. So this is basically going to be a quick video. I'll just give you some steps so you can follow and be able to make money even when the markets are low or volatility is low. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And also, if you do enjoy the video, don't forget to smash that like button. So welcome back, guys. So there are three aspects that you need to look out for, okay, when it comes to this. Okay, so the first one is going to be market structure for that week. So you just have to look at how the structure is going and see if it's actually going to be volatile, or what the market is doing for that particular pair. So other pairs you can see they might be a bit volatile than the others. So you just have to take a look at that. Okay, so for example, guys, you're going to see this one is a healthy market. So it's actually, you can see it moving like quite well. The stride, that's what I'm saying. You can see how volatile the market is, like moving very nice. Okay, you see it's like very defined all the way to here. So this one is quite healthy. It looks good. So for any week, for example, let's say I'm trading today. This would be my first trade I look at. I'll be like, okay, this is actually good. It's actually still on a downtrend. Okay, so just retracing now. Okay, we don't know if it's changing, but it's still going on a downtrend. So basically, you can see clearly that it's actually doing good. So you need to actually see if it's a upper trend. Is it a higher highs, higher lows? Can you see the higher highs, higher lows? We can see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Higher high, higher low. So you can see it's well defined and it's going like huge strides. So even when it's changing direction, you can see it goes like long here and then it goes back hard. Okay, and you see it breaks again, it goes right down. So this is perfectly healthy for you to trade. So I would actually focus on this. Okay, so that's the first criteria you look at. Let's look at another one that might not be as volatile, so you can see. Okay, so for example, if we look at Euro USD, is this really, can you see? You can, but you can see it's more or less consolidating. You can see, but it's not really, it was moving before, but now, so looking at this week, it's been moving like this, okay? So you can see it's been doing this. Basically, it's moving in one direction. Look at this. It didn't break here. So it didn't break the support. So it broke the support, but it kept bouncing back and doing, basically doing a consolidation. So you can see here, like went up again, up again. Again, it was supposed to go up, but it came down. So it's already like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's how I would leave it if I'm just looking for something that is perfect for me to trade, whether it's higher highs, higher lows, and stuff like that. So this one is not just actually going in the same. In fact, I think that's the one I traded this week. I actually didn't make a lot of money because I actually thought it was going to start changing, okay, going up and stuff like that. But as you can see, it didn't go accordingly. I actually took profit there and then I left it. So it actually started going down again. So yeah, I actually thought it was going up. It was moving. Okay, since I saw this here. So another criteria to look at, guys, is the news. Okay, so okay, before we go to the news, I'd like, I actually should have put candlestick as number 2 because it goes hand in hand with the structure. Okay, so you're gonna see the candlesticks are gonna actually tell you if the market is actually for that pair is moving hard or not. So let's go back and I'll show you. So you can see the candlesticks. You can see how aggressive the candlesticks. You zoom in. You can see this one's huge, and then you have these going like this, huge. You see, you already know it's going up again here. Like these are huge. It means, so it goes hand in hand with the structure. Look at the candlesticks. Are they like big, like these ones? And is the market moving down like hard, like this? Or is it doing like this? See, this one is not really moving. It went hard here and then it started doing like small, and then you're like, okay, I might not trade. So look at the candlesticks. Let's zoom in. It's only now moving hard, but if you saw here it was, so if you look here, look at the candlesticks. These were big and then they started being small, big, but small. Generally they're small. Okay, that's with the consolidation, they go hand in hand. So you're gonna see, are the candlesticks small, and also is the market ranging, consolidating? So if those, obviously both of them are incongruent, then you know you should just leave that market alone. Okay, so that the candlesticks normally go with the market structure. Okay, so and then the third aspect is looking at the news. So what are you going to do is for that week, you're going to check, are there any news for that currency? Okay, so this third step is not a must. Okay, because normally when I teach my beginners, I actually say usually try to avoid news, but it can actually be work with you. Okay, at the same time, but if you have the news, it's actually going to show you which pairs are likely to move for that week and stuff like that. Although the news, that's what I'm saying, it's not a must. The news are not a must to check if it's moving or not, but it's also a good indication to show you what market can be moving, especially if you're going to be a fundamental trader. Okay, so let's look at the news. So there's basically two websites you can go to. Well, you can choose any. Okay, for the first one is investing.com. So it's basically going to tell you the news that are coming up. So you can see USD, CAD. They obviously have news. So if you're a fundamental trader, you can obviously capitalize on those. Or you can go to Forex Factory. Okay, so Forex Factory will actually tell you what's obviously happening. So you're going to see which news are going to be coming out. Okay, so as you can see on Friday, GBP, CAD, USD is actually like NFP week. So obviously these are obviously coming out, but generally, so if you go down, so generally this will show you what news are going to basically move the market. So you can essentially look at the news, how they're doing for that week, okay, and trade after the news have happened, okay, because normally what the market does, sometimes it moves slow before the market and then after that start moving. So here, so you can see the news that are coming up, USD and stuff like that on Wednesday. It's going to be hectic, and generally AUD, you can still look at this AUD, but normally I would look at USD here. That's the one that is coming up. So if you want to, especially a fundamental trader, or you just want to see once these news have finished occurring, so after this time at 2:30, the market will actually move in that particular direction, okay, or it will start moving. Okay, so for example, for today, so you can see these are the market will start moving after this. As much as it's Friday, you'll see the market starting moving after. So you can capitalize on after that and be like, okay, let me wait for these news to occur and then start trading and stuff like that. Or you can just trade with them if you're a fundamental trader and stuff like that. Okay, so but that's all the things that I teach in my courses, and how to trade as a fundamentalist and stuff like that. So you can also capitalize on that. So yeah, these are basically the 3 aspects to give you the perfect setup for that particular week. So let's recap. The first one you have to be aware of or look at is the market structure. So look at what the market is. It consolidating? Is it moving slow? If it's moving slow or in just one direction, it may not be a good trade. And also look at the candlesticks. Are the candlesticks big or are they small? If they're small, there's chances that it's not moving for that week and stuff like that. But you can also look at the news if you want to and be like, okay, let me check after the news. Maybe the market will start moving then. And then you can start doing that. Okay. Sometimes it may not move. I'm just saying, that's why I'm saying the news are just, it's just like you don't have, it's not compulsory. The main things, aspects is the market structure and the candlesticks. Make sure the market structure is moving quite well. It's volatile. And for that week, and the candlesticks are quite big generally. And then you should be good to go. So yeah, guys, that's basically what you should look out for. So yeah, that's how to find the perfect trade setup for trading. So guys, if you do have any questions, don't forget to leave them on the section below. I'll be able to answer you. And also if you have any things you want to just ask me and stuff like that, so you can ask me. And also if you just want to join my group where I give free signals and stuff like that, and people are making money each and every week, you can also join in. I'll leave the description, the link on the description. Other than that, guys, I'll just leave on my other videos. You can go check them out if you're interested in Forex trading and how to make money with Forex trading and just make thousands each and every week, like all my students are. Other than that, guys, if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to smash the like button. And also, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you haven't pressed the bell notification, do press it so that you become the first person to get notified whenever I release similar videos to these on how to make money online. Okay. Other than that, guys, see you in my next video, guys. Let's keep making money. Cheers.